Hey people, so as you know from my channel, I purchased the Ruroc 4.0 Atlas helmet a while back with the Star Wars theme. It's a really cool helmet, but I didn't have the chance to have a mount for it, which finally came through a great friend of mine in Germany. And this is purchased through Ruroc, Germany. And it's a really simple thing. It comes like this in the package with a mount. And this button piece is basically that you can orient the camera. Could be DJI, Insta360, GoPro, whatever you have. And together with it comes this thing as well. I don't know the right term for it in English, but yeah. And how it works is pretty easy. So you have the 3M sticker on the back. First you have to clean the helmet. As you can see here, these are just designs from the helmet. And you clean really nicely so that it sticks. And then what you do is, let me get this position right, is you remove the tape from the back of the mount. So you remove this and you make sure you have the angle correctly lined up. So as you can see from here, the angle is like this. And you make sure to remove this piece for easier mount and to place it in the right position. It's nicely designed by Ruroc because it doesn't cover the ventings. And you just make sure to have it placed correctly so that it stays properly. And as you know, this is a really strong glue, so it will stick for a couple of seconds and then you should be done. And that's about it. So yeah, you should see how this lines up nicely then with the camera. And we make sure to put this in the right position. So let's see to grab the camera. And this is with the camera mount on. And yeah, that's it, nice and easy. In the right position. I didn't put the thingy here, but I just put this for demonstration purposes. As you know, I use the Insta360 Ace Pro. And yeah, usually when riding the motorcycle, you can put on this angle as well, so that you don't get a position which is a bit strange for the viewers on YouTube when you record a video. That's it. Hope you like it. And yeah, make sure to support and to subscribe my channel as I show you a few of my small adventures with my Yamaha Tracer motorcycle. Thank you.